any
dirty place.
Adam.
Or the priest
Ilé wọn ni.
is their major house.
Nígbà bá ti máa dalẹ̀ sí.
Where we throw our waste.
Ilé wọn ni.
Where we drop our waste is their house.
Ilé ahoro, ilé dàpọ̀.
Any empty house
Tàpátì.
that will just abandon properties.
Ilé wọn ni.
They live there.
Inú hò.
In the holes.
Ilé wọn ni.
They live there.
Inú àpáta.
In the rock.
Ilé wọn ni.
They live there.
Ẹ̀rí. Gbogbo àwọn àyè yẹn.
All these places are their homes.
Ìjọba gbẹ̀nu.
These are where they live.
Máa sọ ìtàkà fún ẹgbẹ́.
Shane is going to tell another story.
Méjì.
Or two, one or two stories.
Ètò dákẹ́.
Before the ransom.
Lọ́kọ́jọ́ ti lọ.
Because the time is fast spent.
Ìdósì wà ń bí.
And what we have there
1% ìpìlẹ̀sọ̀.
is just 1% that we are able to deliver. All everything is under preamble.
Ó wá rí.
Listen to this story.
One of sisters.
One of our sisters.
Mi ò mọ̀ rí.
She was not knowing before.
Wọ́n ní around 1994-95.
Around 1994-95.
Mo sọ ọ̀rọ̀ lórí àlìjẹ̀nù.
She delivered the lecture on Jinn.
Àlìjẹ̀nù kan wá sọ̀rọ̀.
Then one Jinn spoke.
Àlìjẹ̀nù àgbàlagbà ni.
It was actually an elderly Jinn.
Obìnrin ni.
And it was a female.
Ó pè ní yìnrìnyìnrìn.
The female, the Jinn referred to herself as hearing.
Àwa record.
And she recorded her voice.
Gbogbo rẹ̀ la record.
Recorded everything she said.
Àwọn ọmọ ìyá wa wá pè mí ní ìwà ìjọ́nà lọ.
One of our brothers now called on Shane from UI, West of Ibadan.
Ní irú rẹ̀ báyìí ni.
Like this time.
Bí ẹ láti jagun márùn-ún.
It was around 5.
Àkásí nìkan.
After asking.
Dédé after Maghrib.
Still after hungry.
Nígbà wọn sọ̀rọ̀ níbi kan máa ní ẹgbóhùn àlìjẹ̀nù.
When Shane got to a point, now played the record, recorded on the voice.
Ẹsẹ̀ ti jọun orí náà ní.
This C90 cassette I used to play in this radio.
Ní wá play rẹ̀.
They now play it and people listen to it.
Gbogbo àwọn ọdẹ ti palọ́lọ́ ni.
Everywhere was silent.
Nígbà jẹ́ ń gbọ́ conversation.
When they were listening to the voice of the Jinn directly.
Máa sọ̀rọ̀ ábíyèsí.
Shane thought it was a conversation between Shane and the Jinn.
Títí fi kúrò lára arábìnrin.
Until the Jinn mentioned it.
Késẹ̀ ní lọ́mọbìnrin wá gbọ́.
It was this cassette that the lady listened to.
Lọ́wọ́ tó kò sábẹ̀ ìdọ́dọ̀ àbáyé.
Now said she insisted I needed to see Shane.